Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cruizr Vibrating Masturbator with Voice Activator. So let's get started. So this is the Vibrating Masturbator itself. It's really simple and easy to operate and features a very high-end design. Here are some useful measurements of this Vibrating Masturbator. The inner length of this masturbator is 15.3 centimeters and the inner diameter is 4.6 centimeters. So let's take a look inside this masturbator. To start, let's twist off the cap and it reveals the vagina sleeve on the inside. It has a vagina opening here and is made of a soft silicone material, so it's soft to the touch, flexible, and has studding in the sleeve itself, which is really stimulating. When using this vibrating masturbator, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. This vibrating masturbator comes equipped with 10 different settings. So let's start by turning it on. To turn on, press on the top button just here, and it's on. If you want to try a different setting, simply press the same button and decide how intense you want to go. Now to turn off, press and hold for 3 seconds, and it's now off. Really simple, quick and easy to use. As you can see, there's also another button. This activates the female sultry voice, which gives it a whole new different experience. You've got vibrations and an exciting voice to listen to as well. You also have some headphones here, which is perfect if you want to keep things discreet, but the voice also works without the headphones. The headphone jack is located at the very bottom of the masturbator, just here. So all you have to do, simply plug it in like so, and press and hold on the bottom button until the light begins to flash as well. Then the female sultry voice is on. If you wish to listen to it without the headphones, simply remove, and the female voice begins to start. To turn off the female voice, press and hold down on the button, and it's now off. Remember to turn off the vibrations by pressing and holding down. For more tips and tricks on how to use this vibrating masturbator, you can view the user manual via the packaging at the back. Scan this QR code and it will take you to the user manual for this product. Here, you can find lots of different things about the product. For example, what's included in the package, how to use, how to clean, size and specifications, and lots of useful information. A really handy tip. To charge your vibrating masturbator, it's really quick and easy to do. Using the USB charging cable provided, you're going to simply push it through the DC button like so, and it will begin to charge for you. Now, we recommend charging this completely before use, and charging time is approximately 150 minutes. Make sure to clean the vibrating masturbator after every use. It's really simple and easy to clean, but you have to be a bit careful too. So, start by gently removing the sleeve from the case itself. As you can see, there is a wire attached to this. Please make sure not to remove this. This connects to the vibrations and the headphones as well. This is the sleeve itself, and what you're going to do is you're going to take some toy cleaner and perhaps a dry lint-free cloth or lukewarm water and gently clean around the sleeve and especially around the wires as well. If you feel that perhaps the case itself may need a bit of attention, you can take a damp cloth, make sure it's very lightly damp, and dab around the inside and the outside as needed. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before popping it back into the case like so, and make sure you gently pop it back in. If you feel the masturbator get stuck, give it a good shake, and it will start to gently go back in for you. Now please note, this vibrating masturbator is only splash proof, so we don't want to damage any of the wiring during the cleaning process or whilst using any water. Once all the cleaning process is done, make sure to pop the cap back on, and it's ready to go till next time. And that is the Cruizr Vibrating Masturbator with Voice Activator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.